Friends, welcome to my new video. I am Kapil Jila from Technotics Robotics, and today I will show you how to make a logo for your YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you will get our notifications of a new video instantly. So first of all, if you want to make a logo for your YouTube channel, go to the website known as pexels.com, pexels.com. So here you will get the background photo for your channel's logo. So as you can see, I have exactly made one. See, you can see this is the logo I made. So I will just copy this one and then go to the paint box. You have to copy that any of the background photo which you like from that website. So as you can see, I have made this. So what you have to do exactly is just come here and you have to write the name over here. As you can see, I have written TR for Technotics Robotics. Then just you have to cut this. First you have to cut this one, and then first you select this. As you can see, I am going to select. So I have selected this much area. Okay, then you crop this one from the upper end to the last end. Just crop, then save it. So this was how you can make. So save in a file where you come always. As you can see, I will save over here. Okay, untitled is there. Yes, it will work. So this was how you can make the logo for your YouTube channel. In the next video, I will show how to brand that logo in your YouTube channel. So if you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and wait for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.